Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 10A1. You are given the following numbers 1, 3, 6, 8, 9. To use in creating 5-digit numbers, how many unique 5-digit numbers can be created if repetition is not allowed? We're creating 5-digit numbers. So it means you have 5 slots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the first slot, we have 5 choices. And then for the second slot, we'll have 4 choices because one number will go in the first slot. So we have 4 choices here. If the first number goes here and the second number goes here, we're left with 3 numbers. So here we have 3 choices for the third number. If the first number goes here, the second number goes here, the third number goes here, we are now left with 2 numbers. So the fourth slot, we have 2 choices. And then we'll have 1 choice for the last slot. So meaning that this is 5 factorial. And then 5 factorial is equal to 120. So it means we can form 120 unique 5-digit numbers.